In this tutorial, we will go through how to set up Docker in your system. It is actually very easy if you have a Linux or Mac machine. If it is a Windows machine, it depends on what version of Windows you are running in your system. So if it is a Mac or Linux, the steps are pretty easy. You just click get started from Docker site and you can find the link to download. So here you need to create a Docker account, then you will be able to download, and there is step-by-step instructions required to install the application. So once you have downloaded the DMG file, since it is a Mac, it will be DMG file. You just need to double click it and it will take you through the step-by-step instructions required to install the application. And this is the command probably that you can use to verify that the Docker is successfully working in your system. But if it is a Windows machine, the steps varies based on the type of for the version of Windows you have. If it is Windows Pro, if your Windows version is Windows Pro or higher, the steps are really easy. You get a direct installer and you will be able to set it up. Same like a Mac, you just need to double click the installer and go through the navigation wizard. But if you have old version of Windows, for example, or lower version of Windows Home, so if you have an old version of Windows or some version of Windows 10 which is lower than Windows Pro, then the steps are different. You have to basically install a different version of Docker called Docker Toolbox. Yeah, this you will be able to find it in this URL. Basically how it works is it will be installing a VirtualBox machine also along with the Docker installation, and using that it will be facilitating the running of Docker containers. But you have to verify that you have virtualization enabled in your laptop or PC. Other than that, the steps are same here also. You will be just going through the installation wizard step by step, and at the end you can launch it using the Docker quick start terminal. The icon of that will be available once you have completed the installation. Once Docker is successfully installed, you will be able to launch it uh, from your applications folder in Mac or by double clicking the terminal in Windows. Once it is running successfully, you will be able to see an icon in the tray. Also at the same time you will be able to, if you type Docker, you will be able to get the list of commands here.